going on, young world, aka YouTube? It's your boy Travels of Preston, aka Mr. Travels. And right now, currently, today, I'm in Transylvania. I know that's a weird place for a lot of people because they be like, what the hell? Why would you go to Transylvania? Why not? That's my question. So, more particularly, we're in Brasov. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. Don't worry about it. It'll pop up. I'm actually in Old Town, Brasov. So I'm kind of walking around. It's like a little day trip for me from Bucharest. And currently I'm walking to the center of the Old Town. I guess where they have like the black church and a couple other things around here. I didn't really know if I was going to come out here or not, but I did. So you have to bear with me to see what's going on. But let's go ahead and show you the city, all right? So yeah, walking around town is pretty awesome. That great European vibe. Like I said, it's just kind of cool to say I've been to Transylvania. So right now I'm walking towards the city, well, the Old Town Center. It looks like it has a fountain, some type of church maybe. Definitely got to do a lot more research on this. Like I said, I wasn't prepared to come to the city or the town or whatever it is. It's classified. I would say it's a city because it's always kind of damn big trying to get up in here. Oh man, that's a nice little open space. So I'm kind of just walking around, trying to get the vibe of the city. But I'm also looking for a souvenir, and I think I found a souvenir shop. Just as soon as I said something to you guys. All I want is a shot glass. Let's see if they have a shot glass in here. Hi. You have shot glasses? No shot glasses? Oh, okay. All right, so I had to stop that abruptly. She said there was no recording inside, and all I want to do was buy a shot glass. But luckily, Preston found a shot glass. So that worked out. Now, I'm gonna head back up to the main market area, or the main square, so I can get some of these vittles in me. So let me know what y'all think of Brasov. Man, I know I'm butchering it. But overall, I think it's pretty cool. I think it's definitely worth a day trip. Yeah, definitely worth a day trip. And like I said, I'm all about saying anything, anywhere, whatever. So, all right. And that black church looks pretty hard too. I can't wait to Google what the hell that's about and why it's called the Black Church. As soon as I walk back up to the square, that's just probably where I'm gonna end this video, because we're pretty much just concentrating on the old town of it. But if you want to go to the newer side, I mean, it's all built up. The infrastructure is nice. I'm sure they got nice hotels. I did see a big ass mall. Had a Pandora, so you know if you got a Pandora, you know that thing legit. So, all right, I'm almost to the square with the fountain. Try to get me some good Romanian food. All right, almost there. So anyway, so like I guys, appreciate the support. Anybody that's watching this video, please share it with whoever who likes to travel and see unique things, because that's what I'm trying to bring you guys. So a lot of shopping. Definitely a tourist trap. All right, guys. So like I said, it's Travis Preston. See you guys next week. Peace.